Hai guys, kembali lagi dengan saya Viko di channel Viko HD. Kali ini saya akan memberikan 7 rekomendasi film yang pasti membuat Anda bingung dan menemani hari gabut kalian setelah yang satu ini. Oke guys, film merupakan sebuah tontonan di masyarakat halayak umum. Film juga memiliki beberapa genre, yaitu komedi, horor, serta romantis. Kali ini saya akan memberikan film yang bergenre science fiction, lebih tepatnya teka-teki. Langsung aja. Yang pertama yaitu Inception. Film Inception merupakan film dari garapan sutradara terkenal yaitu Christopher Nolan dan dibintangi oleh aktor Leonardo DiCaprio. Mungkin film ini merupakan film dari Christopher Nolan yang salah satunya yang terkenal, teman-teman. Konsepnya yaitu sangat membuat kita main bola, kita tuh berada di suatu alam, yaitu lucid dream. Lucid dream yaitu sebuah mimpi, tapi di mimpi lagi, teman-teman. Sinopsis alur ceritanya, teman-teman, diceritakan seorang pencuri bernama Dom Cobb yang diperankan oleh Leonardo DiCaprio melakukan aksinya di alam bawah sadarnya, yaitu mimpi, teman-teman, bersama temannya yaitu Arthur yang diperankan oleh Joseph Gordon. Apakah si Leonardo DiCaprio berhasil mencuri dokumen rahasia milik negara lewat alam mimpi? Saksikan di film Inception tahun 2010.
There's one thing you should know about me. I specialize in a very specific type of security. Subconscious security.
You're talking about dreams?
Mr. Cobb has a job offer he would like to discuss with you.
Like a work placement?
Not exactly.
We create the world of the dream. We bring the subject into that dream, and they fill it with their secrets.
Then you break in and steal it.
Well, it's not strictly speaking legal.
It's called Inception. I'm ready. I think I found a way home.
And this last job, that's how I get there.
Dreams feel real while we're in them. It's only when we wake up that we realize something is actually strange.
This was your responsibility. We're not prepared for this.
The dream's collapsing.
I have it under control. I'd hate to see out of control.
You mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling.
Yang kedua yaitu The Imitation Game. Film yang diperankan oleh Benedict Cumberbatch ini merupakan berhubungan dengan film dengan matematika, teman-teman. The Imitation Game cocok dengan kamu yang suka matematika, coding, teknik, hingga komputer, teman-teman. Bercerita tentang seorang matematikawan yang bernama Alan Turing yang diharuskan memecahkan kode rahasia yaitu milik Nazi di dalam Perang Dunia Kedua. Bersama timnya, Alan diharuskan memecahkan semua kode agar bisa menang dalam perang. The Imitation merupakan film yang diangkat dari kisah nyata yaitu kehidupan si Alan Turing sendiri pada tahun 1939. Alan Turing merupakan sosok yang memberi dasar tentang AI atau Artificial Intelligence di masa sekarang ini, teman-teman. Jika kalian ingin penasaran dan kalian mungkin jago berhitung, film ini yaitu The Imitation Game cocok untuk kalian. Oke.
This war, we're not winning it. If you speak a word of what I'm about to show you, you will be executed for high treason.
It's beautiful. It's the greatest encryption device in history, and the Germans use it for all communications.
Everyone thinks Enigma is unbreakable.
Let me try, and we'll know for sure.
Mr. Turing, do you know how many died because of it?
I don't.
3, while we've been having this conversation.
Gentlemen, meet Mr. Turing.
We to work together then. I'm afraid these men would only slow me down.
Popular at school, were you?
We're short on staff.
We get more staff then. You have 6 minutes to complete the task.
Is it even possible?
No, it takes me 8. 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
You said to do it in under 6. What is it that we're really doing?
We're going to break an unbreakable Nazi code and win the war.
Oh.
You know, to pull off this irascible genius routine, one actually has to be a genius.
I'm designing a machine that will allow us to break every message, every day, instantly.
You're going to need all the help you can get, and they are not going to help you if they do not like you.
Have you decrypted a single German message?
You will never understand the importance of what I am creating here.
Our patience has expired.
No!
If you fire Alan, well, then you'll have to fire me.
Me too.
And me.
You better bloody work.
Alan, you do not have to do this alone.
What are you doing? What's going on?
The Navy thinks that one of us is a Soviet spy.
You've got more secrets than the best of them.
What if I don't fancy her in that way?
Can't tell anyone, Alan. It's illegal.
I'm just a mathematician.
Sometimes it is the people who no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine.
Oke, teman-teman, yang ketiga yaitu Memento. Tahun 2000. Jauh sebelum Inception, Christopher Nolan juga pernah membuat film yang bikin mikir, yaitu bernama Memento. Sebuah film yang harus kalian nonton berulang kali untuk kalian memahaminya, teman-teman. Film ini bercerita tentang Leonardo, seorang pria yang nggak bisa membuat ingatan baru alias ingatan jangka pendek, teman-teman. Alias kita tuh bisa mengingatnya tapi hanya jangka pendek, teman-teman. Misalnya kita habis minum, ya kita nggak ingat kejadian sebelum minum itu ngapain. Si pemeran utama yang bernama Leonard menderita sakit ini setelah kepalanya terbentur saat menangkap pencuri yang masuk ke rumahnya. Memento mendapatkan penghargaan yang banyak karena alurnya yang rumit dan menurutnya kita mengambil kesimpulan tersendiri. Saya tidak mau memberikan spoiler yang terlalu banyak. Jika kalian ingin tahu, tontonlah film Memento tahun 2000.
I have this condition.
A condition?
It's my memory.
Amnesia.
No. It's different from that. Since my injury, I can't make new memories. Everything fades. If we talk for too long, I'll forget how we started. And next time I see you, I'm not going to remember this conversation.
What's the last thing that you do remember?
My wife.
That's sweet.
Dying.
Lenny!
I guess I've already told you about my condition.
Oh, well, only every time I see you.
You don't remember where you've been or what you've just done.
No, I can't make new memories. It's like waking. It's like he just woke up.
When you find this guy, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kill him.
Maybe I can help you find him. Are you sure you want this?
My wife deserves vengeance.
Do not trust her. She's gonna use you to protect herself.
I think someone's been trying to get me to kill the wrong guy.
You can question everything. You can never know anything for sure.
Teddy, don't believe his lies.
You wander around playing detective. Well, maybe you should start investigating yourself.
Who did this to you?
You did.
I want my life back!
Why are you asking me? I can't remember what I've done. I have no short-term memory. Since my injury, I can't make new memories. Everything fades. If we talk for too long, I'll forget how we started. And next time I see you, I'm not going to remember this conversation. I don't even know if I've met you before. I've told you this before, haven't I?
Yang keempat, the best of film yang disukai saya teman-teman, yaitu Interstellar 2014. Lagi-lagi karya film dari Christopher Nolan teman-teman yang bernama Interstellar. 4 tahun setelah Inception, Christopher Nolan membuat film bikin kita mikir bab pegawai NASA teman-teman. NASA yaitu badan sebuah yang mengurusi kehidupan di luar angkasa sana teman-teman. Sinopsisnya yaitu film ini menceritakan tentang masa depan yang gak secara yang diharapkan bayangan kita saat ini teman-teman, di mana dunia sedang mengalami krisis pangan. Suatu hari ada badai debu yang menerpa bumi, dan Cooper selaku pemeran utama, seorang mantan peneliti NASA, menemukan sebuah koordinat berisi suatu tempat yang paling rahasia di muka bumi ini teman-teman. Cooper pun diberi tugas untuk mencari hunian baru di badan tersebut yang ditemukan Cooper, yang tempat rahasia itu teman-teman, untuk mencari kehidupan baru. Ada 2 misi, yaitu mereka akan memindahkan manusia ke bumi atau mereka mengambil sel-sel manusia teman-teman untuk ditetaskan di sana teman-teman. Film ini mind blowing teman-teman, kalian harus nonton. Saya sangat merekomendasikan film ini.
Little late, Coop.
Yeah, we had a flash.
It's an Indian surveillance drone. Solar cells power an entire farm.
What'd you do, Murph?
She didn't do nothing.
Murphy's Law.
You're a well-educated man, Coop, and a trained pilot.
And an engineer.
The world doesn't need any more engineers. We didn't run out of planes and television sets. We ran out of food.
Dad, why did you name me after something that's bad?
Oh, we didn't.
Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law doesn't mean that something bad will happen. It means that whatever can happen will happen.
We must confront the reality that nothing in our solar system can help us.
Now you need to tell me what your plan is to save the world.
We're not meant to save the world. We're meant to leave it. And this is the mission we were trained for.
I've got kids, Professor.
Get out there and save them.
You have no idea when you're coming back.
I'm coming back.
We must reach far beyond our own lifespans. We must think not as individuals, but as a species. We must confront the reality of interstellar travel.
Murph, I love you forever. I'm coming back.
Yang kelima. Nah, kelima maksudnya 5 aja teman-teman. Besok lagi kalau kalian suka part 2-nya tulis di komentar. Yang kelima yaitu A Beautiful Mind. Tahun 2001. Buat kamu yang tertarik di dunia bisnis, kamu bisa menonton film ini yaitu A Beautiful Mind. Film ini terinspirasi dari kisah nyata yang seorang ekonom matematikawan bernama John Forbes Nash Jr. Film ini mengisahkan tentang kehidupan matematikawan yang jenius dan mampu mematahkan teori, yang mampu menemukan teori permainan yang digunakan oleh para ekonom dunia hingga sekarang. Tidak hanya tentang matematika, John harus berhadapan dengan halusinasi yang menyeramkan oleh para pesaingnya, teman-teman. Apakah benar John sedang berada di halusinasi? John itu pemeran utamanya, teman, atau John hanya terpengaruh oleh tipu daya pesaingnya? Jika ingin tahu, mungkin kalian bisa nonton yang satu ini.
John Nash was one of the most brilliant minds of his generation.
Welcome to Princeton. Who among you will be the next Einstein?
Find a truly original idea, and it's the only way I will ever distinguish myself. It's the only way I will ever matter.
He saw the world.
Where is Nash?
Out there, looking for his original idea.
In ways that no one could imagine.
This flies in the face of 150 years of theory.
Congratulations, John.
It's the achievement of a lifetime.
From producer Brian Grazer and director Ron Howard.
I'm wondering, Professor Nash, if I can ask you to dinner. You do eat, don't you? How big is the universe?
Infinite.
How do you know for sure?
I don't, I just believe it.
It's the same with love, I guess.
The extraordinary gift.
What can I do for the Department of Defense?
That set him apart.
You are the best natural code breaker I have ever seen.
You've done your country a great service, son.
Would push his mind.
Get in.
What is wrong with you?
Beyond its limits.
Somebody, help me!
John, open the door. Talk to me. Tell me what happened.
It didn't happen.
This is not what I signed on for.
I'm not leaving.
Stop!
You can't reason your way out of this.
Why not? Why can't I?
I need to believe that something extraordinary is possible.
Universal Pictures, DreamWorks Pictures, and Imagine Entertainment present.
You have to help me.
One man's journey to the greatest discovery of all.
You don't know it's real. This is real.
Academy Award winner Russell Crowe. Academy Award nominee Ed Harris. And Jennifer Connelly.
Perhaps it is good to have a beautiful mind, but an even greater gift is to discover a beautiful heart.
A Beautiful Mind.
Oke, saya kasih lagi. Yang terakhir udah 6 aja teman-teman, yaitu Butterfly Effect. Tahun 2004. Film ini merupakan film daftar film Hollywood yang membuat Anda pasti memikir 2 kali. Film ini bergenre psychological thriller. Film ini memiliki alur maju mundur yang membuat kamu mesti nggak fokus, teman-teman. Bercerita tentang seorang pemuda yang memiliki kelainan nggak bisa mengingat jangka pendek bernama Evan. Kehidupan masa kecilnya sangatlah buruk hingga ibunya harus pindah rumah ke beberapa tempat, teman-teman. Setelah dewasa, Evan bertemu dengan teman-temannya di masa lalu. Kehidupan orang tersebut sangatlah buruk. Dia berusaha memperbaiki kehidupan mereka. Film ini dibintangi oleh Ashton Kutcher yang bertema time travel. Itu
Remember when we were kids and I used to have those blackouts? Well, some of those memories have been coming back to me.
There are moments in life we choose to remember.
Do you think that we'll be together forever?
And some memories can never forget.
All I know is that by reading these journals, I might be able to get Kaylee back.
I'd think twice about what you're doing. You could wake up a lot more messed up than you are now.
I haven't seen results like this before.
But what if you could go back in time?
You are completely relaxed. Think of it like a movie. You can pause, rewind, or slow down.
Could you save the one person that mattered the most?
Honey, are you all right?
You. Incredible. I lost you once, and I'm not losing you again.
Evan, you never lost me. What are you talking about?
You got a nice life.
You stay away from us.
It's been a while since I could.
What about Kaylee? Is she all right? If I go back to the beginning, I might be able to save her. Just tell me if you see anything weird.
Weirder than this.
Kaylee, that you were happy once. With me.
Why don't you go back and save me?
How are you doing this?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
You can't change who people are without destroying who they were.
Every time I try to go back in time and help someone, everything just goes wrong.
Oh my God, what did we do?
You can't play God.
The Butterfly Effect.